Experiencing crackling or popping sounds from your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max speakers during calls? You're not alone. This issue particularly affects the front and bottom speakers. The issue is often caused by dust and debris accumulation in the speaker meshes. The iPhone 17 series slim design makes it more susceptible to this problem. The first step is to diagnose the problem. Check if the crackling is present during all calls or only some. Try adjusting the volume and clean the exterior of the speaker mesh with a dry, soft cloth. Apple has acknowledged this issue, releasing minor firmware updates. Make sure your phone is updated to at least iOS 18.2 or later, as it includes some audio tweaks. You can check and update your iOS in Settings, General, Software Update. If a software update doesn't resolve the crackling, careful cleaning of the speaker meshes is the next step. Power off your iPhone before proceeding. Use compressed air in short bursts to gently blow out debris from the speaker grills. Hold the can a few inches away to avoid damaging the speaker components. Alternatively, use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently brush the mesh. Avoid applying too much pressure. Do not use liquids or sharp objects, as they can cause permanent damage to the Taptic engine or audio components. In iOS 18.3 and later, there is a speaker health diagnostic tool in Settings, General, About, which scans for obstructions and prompts cleaning. Using the software tool can help you determine if cleaning is needed. If the problem persists after cleaning, consider contacting Apple support for professional diagnostics and repair, especially if your device is still under warranty. Remember, attempting DIY repairs can void your warranty, so proceed with caution.